Hey friends, if you wish to open a PDF file on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So go to the downloads folder and you'll find the PDF file here. Let's try and open it. Now the default way to open it is through the default browser. So when I click on it, then it will open in the default browser. So even if you don't have any app on your computer, you can open it on the default browser. But this is not the main app to open it. The main app is Adobe Acrobat. So right click on it, open with and Adobe Acrobat. The free version is sufficient to read files, though if you wish to make other changes, then you will need a few more. You'll need the premium subscription. Now, where would you get the Acrobat reader from? Simply Google Adobe PDF Reader and then go to this website PDF Reader and wait for it to load. Click on download and click on download Acrobat Reader and simply click on open. When you click on open, it will automatically start the installer, and then you won't have to do anything. It will install it directly on your computer, like it just installed it on my computer. One more thing, if you want earn a PDF reader with the premium functions, but you don't want to pay for it, then open the Microsoft Store and search for PDF readers in the search bar. You have a lot of PDF readers. They are free of cost, but they have all the premium functions that Adobe Acrobat Reader has, and they are for free, while this one is paid. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.